2014 Chevy Camaro SS. Still got the factory converters there and there. It's got a total of 4. Then we put a bolt-on Borla kit. I'll get you guys the number in a second so you can see the link in the description. Has a full Borla cat back system from right there, from the original clamps back on each side, with an X-pipe, built-in X-pipe. Then it continues 2 1/4 all the way back into some Borla attacks right there and right there. There's the kit. Goes all the way straight back into some 4-inch double wall tips there and there. The Borla kit system is a 140532. If you guys are interested, there'll be a link in the description to where to purchase it. All right, guys. Hope you guys like it. 2014 Chevy Camaro SS. Absolutely beautiful car. We just did some downpipes on it. Borla system, full complete system with high flow cats right there and right there. Then it goes into then a Borla X pipe right there, all 2 1/2. And then it continued all the way back. We don't like clamps, so we always weld them unless the customer requests otherwise. And puts a Borla attack axle back, completes it with 5-inch tips right there and right there. We also put a cold air intake system, a BBK right there. You see it? Cold air induction system that we put under the hood. Let it bring in more air so it can bring out more air and more sound. Let you guys hear it in a second. Tag us at the exhaust addicts. Yeah, over. Put it in park. I forgot the sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. About 103, 104. It's not too bad. It's perfect. It'll probably get a little bit louder too.
Yeah, I'm thinking about it.
Oh, really? Hell yeah. Are you gonna get long tubes?
Yeah.
Are you gonna have them with cat? We can put them on as long as they have cats.
Yeah, they gonna have them on.
Yeah, bring them. We can put them in for you.
Oh, well, actually,
yeah. He's the master of those. You'll just have to leave them with us for a day or so. Let you guys hear on the inside. Go ahead. Woohoo! At like 3,500 RPM, right? It's 116 at a 3,500 RPM. 116. Again, back it up. Camaro SS with a Borla attack system. Complete system. If you guys want it, the link will be in the description. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Camaro. Beautiful car. Any car in black never disappoints. You notice? The look, it just changes the whole look of it. Even the Prius. That's sick. Beast mode. Hope you guys enjoy.